she was singing, and I
Well, this is a movie of me defrosting Samsung's best French door refrigerator. I'm using a hair dryer. Kind of brings back memories from the 50s and 60s, don't you guys think? This has been brought to Samsung management's attention before, and this is the best they can do. Exactly what you want to see out of a $3,000 refrigerator. Standing here with a hairdryer, defrosting an ice maker. What do you think about that for quality, folks?